gentlemen, alumni, distinguished guests, Board of Trustees, friends of MMA, our community friends, and our donor. It is an honor to be here to rededicate the Brad Calvert Baseball Field. Where we stand today is proof of what can happen when we see people who see a need to have a passion and a heart to make a difference. When our baseball was feeling short of adequately and safely meeting our cadets' needs, a group of alumni and friends stepped forward. Through their hard work and dedication and generous financial support, we were able to rebuild this stadium for the cadets as an investment in the Academy's future. As we look forward to bringing even more cadets and partners to play here. However, our work is still not complete. More progress will be made as we install lights on this field, further improving and expanding opportunities for our cadets to play for the Academy and to hold tournaments here. I would like to take this opportunity to thank those who have been involved. Please stand or step forward to be recognized. Please hold your applause until the end. President Geraci, thank you for your insight for bringing baseball back and making a forefront for MMA athletics and raising the call to renovate the Brad Calvert Field. Thank you to the Baseball Committee for their countless hours of dedication and support of the project and of their active engagement of other alumni support. Chairman of the committee, Chris Gentry, class of 1988. Greg Sinner, class of 1991. Steve McDavid and Jared McGee, both of the class of 97, and Heinz Lee of the class of 1999. I also want to recognize a special family who is here with us today, the Belknaps, Miriam, Chris, Michael, and Belfort, for honoring their father with their father, Bob Belknap, for his service to MMA with the Bob Belknap Family Scoreboard. We are so honored that you can be here with us today. We also have some of our other supporters with us today. If you would please stand or step forward to be recognized. Again, please hold your applause until the end. Patrick Saylor, class of 81. Jason Falbo Glynn, class of 88. The Board of Trustees member Dan Ertl, Paul Petit, class of 85. Kirk Kirtley, class of 74. And head baseball coach Tom Roberts. Let's give a round of applause for those fine supporters. I would like the following alumni to stand or step forward once their name is called. These alumni were very instrumental in our baseball history. Greg Sinner, in the class of 91. John Davis, class of 92. Dale Dye, class of 62. Julio Farve, class of 92. Eric Gentry, class of 21. Jeff Forse, class of 76. Kurt Kirtley, class of 74. Steve McDavid, class of 97. Lee Merrill, 92. Jeffrey Moe, 92. Rafael Molina, class of 88. Larry Pfeiffer, class of 63. Roger Priestley, class of 86. Corey Richard, 04. Brenton Stubbenauer, class of 97. Corey Stubbenauer, class of 95. Scott Stupinski, class of 04. Carl Tegmeyer, class of 62. Eli Fias, class of 82. Eric Weitzman, class of 89. And Parker Woodruff, 22. Thanks for making our baseball history here possible. There are some alumni who cannot be with us today, but they had a great impact on the baseball here at MMA. Dean Elstad, class of 82, and Trask Bradbury. I hear that he was an incredible left-handed pitcher. Without these players of the past, the love of the game, we could not be here today. Thank you all. To our current cadets that are playing ball today, and those in the crowd, please remember what baseball teaches us. Never give up on life. It's okay to strike out. Teamwork is the best work. Always keep your eye on the ball, aim for the fences. Always do your best. Sacrifice is necessary in the most crucial moments. You can't do everything. You're by yourself. Do what you love and never stop loving it. Remember these today. Play your hardest today and every day in life. As an aside, for those who want to contribute to our next and final phase of the renovation, you can show the cadets what love, sacrifice, and teamwork can truly do. Please see me or any member of the advancement team if you'd like to be part of this special project. Now, President Geraci, if you, along with our current baseball captains, Mr. Delaplane, Mr. Millek, will you have the honor of cutting the ribbon as we rededicate the stadium for all?